Hey guys, Rock Solid Passion here. It is the next day. I have had the rocks soaking in the baking soda, and then I've had the other rocks soaking in the muriatic acid. After checking them several times yesterday, I just didn't see enough change, so I wanted to let them soak some longer. And we'll take a look. Here are the ones that were in the baking soda. I do see some difference. If you leave me go off with this one, there's not much on there. I'll left it clean. The stain on there is pretty. It's not something I really, want white things. I don't clean it all the time. This one will go out. I believe I'll go ahead and take this one out. I'll show you quick. See if I can zoom out that. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. There is some white and gray colors in there, and I see a blue line. I believe there might be some seam agate there. This is one of the pieces I got up off the mountain. I think this is limonite staining, I believe. Or not stain, but it's limonite. I don't know if the muriatic acid takes that off. It should. It's a type of rust, right? This is all just strictly experimental. It's the first time I'm doing it, and I just wanted to see how things would turn out. This one looks like, yeah, it looks like it's pretty clean. There's still a lot of red in there, but I like that. See that? And this one, I know it's not going to show, especially it being wet. This is all druzy. It looks like there might be some chalcedony there too. Oh, they look a lot better. Let me fold my glove back up. I want you to see how these quartz crystals were going to turn out. Those ones are coming nice and clean. There's still some rust on there. I think I might leave those in there. That one looks pretty white. Nice and white. You can see that. Yeah, I think I'm going to just go ahead and pull most of these out. Yeah, those are looking pretty clean. I'm going to put those back in with those other ones. I should have set the camera up over here so you guys could see it. That one's looking pretty good. I think that's about as clean as that one's going to get. This one, I thought that it would eat, maybe I just didn't make my solution strong enough. I thought that it would eat away some of the host rock, which is what I was wanting to do with this particular rock. But I think what I'll do is I'll make, after we're done here, I'm going to throw some more rocks into this mixture that are just lightly dirty. And I'm also going to make up another batch that's twice as strong. I'm going to do 2 cups or 2.5 cups to the 1 gallon of water instead of just a little over 1.5 cups. I'm gonna almost double it. Here's this one. Ooh, that crystal's coming nice and clean in there. And these are... You guys see that one? Rotate it a little bit. Right there. So yeah, I'm gonna make a stronger solution. I have one right here. You see how dark orange that is? That's what these two looked like before I put them in there. This one is taken a little bit off. Still got some there, you know, in different areas where it was really thick. It almost looks like a secondary coating of chert or jasper that's forming on that quartz. It's crazy. Now, here's the big one that I had taken out. Still pretty dark, but it has taken quite a bit off. See, like this one, it's just barely lightened it. Maybe that's supposed to be in there. Maybe if I cut it open, that's going, you know, all the way through the rock. It's not just a surface thing. I don't know. Maybe. Alright. So, yeah. I'll take some still shots and let you guys see how they turned out. Hey guys, Rock Solid Passion here, and we are back on the second batch of the experimental Muriatic rock bath. So we're going to dive in and take a look, see how they turned out. Oh yeah, now I'm starting to see some difference. That's what I was wanting. I was wanting some of the host rock to disintegrate. So that's what it is. I'm just gonna have to leave. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better. The top is nice and clean. You can see here on the edges where it was taking off the host rock. And it's leaving the quartz and the chalcedony and all that stuff. And it turned out pretty good. Check it out. Let's see, can you guys see that? It's pretty overcast here today. This one, I thought was a fossil on the top, but it's still there. Didn't disintegrate, so I'm guessing it's not a fossil. It's just the impression, maybe. I guess it could have just weathered that way. I was hoping this one would come a little cleaner. Maybe I could put it back in there. Let it run a little longer. It has some really nice crystal points and faces right there in the middle. It's like it used to be a geode, and I just have little remnants of it. Sort of reminds me of it anyway. Now, these aren't going to be very showy being wet, but once they're dry, they're spectacular. This guy's awesome looking. It's cleaned up really well. This one, beautiful, beautiful red piece with crusty all over it. Does seem to have a little bit of banding going on. A lot of clay. Yeah, I definitely see some chalcedony. Oh, I'm gonna wait till the end to show you guys these three. Those ones are awesome. I'll hurry up and run through these little ones real quick because they're not great or anything. They're my test dummies. Not that they're not gorgeous pieces. Look at all that red in there. Isn't that awesome? And this one again, this one looks like it's coated with diamonds. It doesn't even look like druzy. It literally looks like quarter carat diamonds just all over it. This one, I should have put my macro lens on. You could get a better look at it. If you can, probably won't be able to make it out, but you might be able to see the texture. Just covered. Oh yeah, this one was really pretty. I'd put it in there. I wish that larger crystal right there hadn't broke off, but it was weathered down the mountain when I found it. Beautiful color. Check this guy out. This thing is huge. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Look at all that red on the end. Some orange and yellow. Ta-da! You can literally just see all the years of layers in there. Can't even imagine how many years each layer represents. Oh man, it's freaking awesome! It's really big. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna be sure it's covered with this water. Oh, I don't even know which side is my favorite. Alright, I'll show you the top first. Wait for it. Oh yeah. Check this bad boy out. Freaking awesome. I'm really trying not to cuss. I have a bad habit of cussing. Look at, even right here with the, what is that? Chert? Jasper? I'm not sure what that is, but it's awesome. It looks like lightning going through up there. It almost looks like root beer colored. And I got this one from Mr. Wil. Wil Bonnet. I'm not sure if he says it Bonnet or Bon, but he was the very first person I ever did a rock trade with. And he sent me my very first Crowley agate. And I still have every single one of them. Isn't that awesome? yeah, being a new rock hound and getting that, I was just floored. I still am. But yeah, I think that might be the root beer. Quartz or root beer agate. I'm not sure the right name for it, but if you look at the color there, it's what it looks like. It's just freaking awesome. And that's all of them. So I'm going to put a few of these back in there that I want to get a little more off of. And we'll take some photos so you guys can see the finished product.